कर्तृराज्ञया प्राप्यते फलं कर्म किं परं कर्म तज्जडम्. This is the beginning of Upadeshasara. Upadeshasara. Upa, it's a transcendental state. Desha, the space. Sara, the essence. The essence of heightened state of consciousness is Upadeshasara. So what Ramana is giving us is the essence that is beyond. It is not the essence of what we are experiencing in day-to-day world. No. He is giving such a wonderful, powerful master key. If we learn how to apply this master key, all your problems are solved at once. Kartrurajñaya prapyate phalam karma kim param karma tajjadam. We have seen this clearly that there are two commanders. One is commander as I, another one commander as Lord, Ishvara. I is also Ishvara, that is also Ishvara. The difference between this Ishvara and that is Ishvara is this I is completely tainted by Klesha Karma Vipaka Ashaya. In Patanjali Yoga Shastra, Patanjali says, who is Ishvara? Klesha Karma Vipaka Ashayehi Aparamrishta Purusha Vishesha Ishvaraha. Ishvara means, that Ishvara means Klesha. Klesha means the stress, strain, conflicts, misery. That is called a Klesha, tensions, basic tensions, Klesha. Karma, basic desires, attachments, they are all karma. Vipaka, the special fruits, vipaka. Ashaya means the bag of desires, bag of desires. We are bound by these four. This individual I, small I, is caged, imprisoned, bound by these four. Whereas that Ishvara, aparamrishta, not touched. We touched, connected, influenced. We get influenced very easily by klesha, by karma, by vipaka, by ashaya. The desire, it influences us. It changes our psyche. Tension, it changes. Whereas that Ishvara is Purusha Vishesha, because he is a special man, Purusha Vishesha, special man. Why? He is not touched by these things. That's all the difference. Difference between that Ishvara and this Ishvara. Now we all think of God and all. Who is that God? Rama, Krishna, who are they? Lalita, who are they? That's all the difference. They are not affected, we are affected. That's all. If you develop, if you start doing sadhana in such a way that these things do not affect you, you become an Ishvara. Ramana is that. Ramana is that. Ramana is not affected by, Ramana was not affected by this kind of ignorance. So these four are nothing but the strong limbs of ignorance. and we are caught by the ignorance, they are not caught by the ignorance. And Lord has blessed the power in every soul to free itself from these clutches. So that's why every human soul is potentially a divine soul. We have to respect every soul. Every soul is unique because in every soul that is there, that power is there, that potentiality is there, that seed is there.